Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week I went back to Age of Fantasy quest minis with the Saurian fighter. They were black and white Zenithally primed, and I get started with night blue all over the skin for the base coat. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. To start bringing up the parts of the skin that won't be in shadow, I went over these parts with Magic Blue, which is a large jump in contrast, but the wash later on will blend these back together and look a bit more natural. Finishing off the highlights on the skin, I used Gigawatt Blue, just to go over the sharper points and around the head mostly. Getting started on the cape, I base coated the entire thing with olive green. For all of the areas of the cape getting hit by the zenithal light, I went over them with golden olive. Making the tops of the folds and the edges stand out a little more on the cape, I went over them with Kobold Grey. I kept this a little bit thinner than normal, just so it adds a bit more of a blend instead of a sharp jump in colour. With the cape now finished, I grabbed lead grey and got the base coating for all of the claws and horns as well as the scale armor parts. Brightening up the claws and horns, I used rock grey to bring up the tops of them. I tried to leave that lead grey around the bottom of these parts to get a bit of a blend. Next up, I used burnt umber to go over the base and the leather parts. Adding a quick highlight to the leather parts now, I went around the edges with Wasteland brown. Getting the metal parts done now, I went over them with Surcoat Silver, just to get all of them at once, as this will be the base colour for the brass as well. Getting some colour variation onto the metal parts, I used top brass to bring up a few of the details. Now instead of colour variation, I use a Mythril blade to add some light variation to these silver parts. Moving on to the washes now, I use Tempest blue wash over the skin and scale armor. For the metal parts now, I grabbed dark tone wash and thinned it down a little bit to go over all of these silver parts. Now that the wash has dried, I came back in with Mythril blade and added some more variation to the metal parts, giving them a bit more of that shine on the edges back. And that will be it for the Saurian fighter. The base, as with my other quest minis, is just some muddy ground and grass tufts to finish it off. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.